One thing I know for sure is that people in the keto diet community love putting stuff in their coffee. But you may be new to doing keto, not sure about what keto approved things that you can put in your coffee, or you may be putting these things I'm going to tell you in your coffee, but you may not know the amazing health benefits that they have, on top of helping you out with your ketogenic diet. So I'm going to dive right into this. No intro today, but I do want to address black coffee real quick. And first of all, black coffee is great if you practice fasting because it's not going to break your fast, and also you may just enjoy the full flavor of coffee by itself. I personally do. I hardly ever add any of this stuff to my coffee except just once in a while, but the first thing that you can add that's going to be very beneficial is MCT oil. MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides. These digest very rapidly and turn into ketones, so it's going to boost your ketone levels. It's very anti-fatigue, and it's going to provide a lot of mental clarity because the brain loves ketones and it runs a lot better and a lot more efficient off of them. Not to mention it's a very powerful appetite suppressant because it turns into ketones so rapidly, and ketones on their own are very appetite suppressing. So MCT oil is perfect if you're wanting to just kind of blunt the little bit of hunger you're having in the morning but not consume a lot of calories or a full-blown meal. Next up is going to be protein, and specifically collagen protein. This stuff is excellent for your skin, hair, nails, muscles, joints, ligaments. It helps all that stuff build. Also, protein promotes satiety, so it's going to keep you from being as hungry throughout the rest of your day if you have this first thing in the morning. The next thing that you can add to your coffee is going to be dairy. We're talking about things like butter, heavy whipping cream. You could use a little bit half and half, just be careful because the sugar in half and half can add up very quickly because it is a little higher than sugar. The main things that adding this stuff into your coffee are going to be good for are 1, providing that extra creaminess, 2, maybe you're trying to increase your calorie intake, or 3, maybe you're trying to increase your overall fat intake for the day. Or you're maybe wanting to get a little extra intake of some good fat soluble vitamins, but that's only going to happen if you use butter. Heavy whipping cream and half don't really have many nutrients in them. Now, if you're wanting some of the main benefits from all 3 of these, you can just put them all together and make bulletproof coffee. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of this, and some of you probably already make this stuff yourself. Just as a quick bonus, a 4th thing that you can add to this is some kind of sweetener that's keto approved. You got things like monk fruit, erythritol, stevia, allulose. Those are going to be the best ones that you could go with. Take one of those and throw it in your bulletproof coffee, or just 1 or 2 of the other ideas I gave you that you can add, and I can promise you, you're not going to be missing the nasty creamers and regular sugar that you used to maybe enjoy in your coffee before you did keto. Guys, I hope you learned something, and I hope you try these out. If you got any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. But guys, keep it keto, keep it healthy, and I'll see y'all next week.